Uizard versus Visily. Which is better? I'm going to tell you about Uizard versus Visily. Both Uizard and Visily are AI-powered UI design tools that have gained popularity for their ability to streamline the design process. Uizard excels in converting hands-drawn sketches into functional UI designs, making it a valuable tool for rapid prototyping. Its intuitive interface and drag and drop features cater to users who prefer a straightforward approach to design. However, UIZard lacks certain advanced features like auto layout, component libraries, and the ability to export designs to Figma, which can be limiting for professional designers. On the other hand, Visily offers a more comprehensive suite of features, including text to diagram capabilities, advanced layout tools, and seamless integration with Figma, allowing for a smoother transition between design platforms. Visily's user friendly interface and robust AI features make it suitable for both non designers and professionals seeking to create high fidelity prototypes efficiently. Additionally, Visily's free plan is more generous, providing access to a wide range of features without immediate need for a paid subscription. In summary, if you're looking for a tool that offers quick sketch to UI conversion for rapid prototyping, UIZard might be the best choice. However, for more feature-rich experience with better integration capabilities and advanced design tools, Visily stands out as the superior option.